um, well,
to improve
step.
relationship between
Yes,
both
yes,
the countries.
yes.
Dr. Arena, you've visited so many places in Pakistan. I mean, generally, Pakistan was castigated in a lot of quarters for not allowing women in different fields or allowing the maximum participation. But this government, President Musharraf's government, has made sure that women take part in every field. I mean, in legislature, they're there in the assemblies. They're getting maximum participation. So, do you see that your image has somehow transformed after your visit once you have seen them working alongside men in so many fields and so actively?
You see, it seems to me that really the situation here in Pakistan changed. I should say that I was in Pakistan 20 years ago, and it is a kind of jubileum for me because I worked from 1983 up to 1984 at steel mill in Karachi as an interpreter. During that days, I had an impression that women were practically out of political life, social life, and I could not see them in visiting cinemas or some exhibitions. But nowadays, it seems to me, Pakistani women became more and more active in every field of life. For example, at the Institute of Strategic Studies in Islamabad, the director of this institute is Professor
Dr.
Shireen Mazari, and she impressed me as a strong, devoted person, and we've read her book on Kargil problem, and she is really an expert in this field of studies. And I should say that I met other Pakistani women, I should say that Pakistani women are represented in Pakistani community in Russia, and I had a chance to meet with them there. And they are highly qualified, they are intelligent, and it seems to me they are able to be active in all fields of life, and their representation in parliament, for example, is high. According to your devolution plan, yeah, they are good represented in local
bodies.
Yeah, bodies, and it seems to me that the programs for women which were undertaken by your government nowadays will further improve the situation and the situation with women's rights here.
Mr. Blinov, over the years there was a perception amongst the Pakistanis that Russia's tilt was too much towards the Indians, but I guess President Putin is trying to improve perception of Pakistanis by somehow reaching out to the government of Pakistan. He talked very frankly with our president, and now Mr. Kasuri went there and met Mr. Sergei Lavrov. So, from media's point of view, do you see an attempt by the Russian government to reach out to the Pakistani government to somehow dispel this impression of tilt or bias towards the Indians?
I don't feel that development of bilateral relations with Pakistan is an attempt to make tilts here and there. They are worth developing at their own merit. And what we want to do is really push forward relations with Pakistan, not forgetting and not putting down the relations with your neighbor India, with which we have very friendly relations for many decades. So it is development of relations without doing harm to relations with the other country. So we don't look at this from the point of view of rivalry. And my impression that the overall situation in the region is different. For example, China had shown interest also and expressed this opinion that both countries, Pakistan and India, develop their dialogue. So it is, from my point of view, it's not atmosphere of rivalries that drive relationship of outside world with Pakistan or India. This is new for this century.
Mr. Pakhomov, you visited Line of Control and you visited Kashmir. Do you feel that Russian involvement or Russian facilitation can help bring both India and Pakistan together on the negotiating table and help facilitate some kind of a productive dialogue for the solution of this problem?
Well, to tell the truth, it wasn't my first visit to the Line of Control. In 1997, me and a prominent Russian photographer, Mr. Kasin, were the first Russian journalists who came to Azad Kashmir and Line of Control. This is the problem which is very important, not only for the region, but for all over the world. As well as India and Pakistan now are well, nuclear powers. To say about the Russian role, well, of course, for the first time, it's the problem between two countries, Pakistan and India. But I think if any country, Russia, maybe the USA, is able to help, it would be very useful. But this problem must be overcome by
bilaterally.
Yes,
okay.
by Delhi and Islamabad.
Okay.